Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car, and this is a truck, a Mercury truck, a 1968 Mercury 100. So you're familiar with the Ford 100, and this is its cousin, northern cousin from Canada. Most people didn't even realize that Canada made Mercury pickup trucks, and this is the last year for them, the 1968. There was a tariff that put a tariff on vehicles shipped either to Canada or from Canada to the United States, and this was the last year. So this is kind of a rare bird. I'm at Anderson Weber Toyota in Dubuque, Iowa, and this is on their showroom floor. They have a body shop, and they restored this truck. I just love that Mercury tailgate. I was in the store, and when I saw that, I thought, holy cow, I gotta shoot it. So pretty cool truck. And these trucks, the interior was pretty much all Ford, and then the outside, same body style, same everything, but it was a Mercury truck as opposed to a Ford truck. And again, because of the tariff, there's the Mercury 100 badging, and then that tailgate as well as the Mercury badging across the hood. So hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.